welcome back to another video. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're at yet another car meet. As you can probably tell by my setup and my face, it's a little cold out here, but that's not stopping us. We're all out here. 10 Gen Clubs representing. It's a big car meet. We did a cruise in the morning. Now we're all here lined up. So we're gonna walk around the meet. I'm gonna get some shots of all the cars. Obviously, I'm gonna probably highlight our club a little bit. And yeah, like I said, it's cold out here, but that's not stopping us. We're still getting out here, meeting up. So hope you guys enjoy some of the shots in this video, and let's get to it.